If you want to get more storage on your iPhone 17e, pretty much the only way to get more storage on your iPhone 17e without having to use like additional accessories or something like that is by buying iCloud storage. So of course we can open settings, go into your Apple account, and then in here we should be able to find the iCloud option. So this is the only way to pretty much upgrade the storage. We can of course store our files on iCloud. This saves the storage on our phone, but of course we use this iCloud service in order to store our files. And by default, for as in the case of the free subscription, we only have 5 gigabytes, which is of course not so much, and most likely you will fill that in pretty quickly. Of course you can upgrade to iCloud Plus in order to get more storage, and depends on how much additional storage you need. You will pay of course a different amount of money per month, so that's pretty much the only way to do so, to extend the storage on this phone. Leave a like and subscribe.